Hi everyone, you are watching Two Youths Transplanted. We are so glad you stopped by today to see this fun DIY. If you love gingerbread decor, then you will want to stick around to see how we make this easy and oh so sweet gingerbread man Christmas craft. Here is everything that we used to make this little guy.
A faux candy pick or peppermint candy buttons. We purchased this pick from Joann Fabric for 59 cents. A picture frame with the glass removed. The size of the frame that we use today is a 5x7. And if you want this particular frame, you can find it at Dollar General for around $1.50. A wooden spoon. We purchased this package of 4 wooden spoons for less than $1 at Walmart. We also used 4 cotton balls.
You will also need a super cute pair of Christmas scissors. We're just joking. They don't have to be this cute. They just have to cut. But if you like these, you can purchase them at any Dollar General for only $2. You will also need a jar of snow tacks. This is at any craft store you can find this item.
A glue gun and glue sticks, some sort of wire. We purchased this package of 16 gauge wire at Walmart in the jewelry making supply section. It wasn't on the pegs, it was in those little baskets along the bottom. But if you can't find this wire, then you could also use pipe cleaners. Also from the jewelry making section at Walmart, this vial of multicolored glass beads, a little squeeze bottle of Scribbles 3D fabric paint in the color Winter White. We use this gift trim ribbon from Walmart. To us, it resembles icing and was just the perfect fit for this project.
And finally, you will need 2 sheets of craft felt, one in the color Cashmere Tan, which we found at Walmart, and a sheet of polka dot felt, which we found at Joann's Fabrics. These felt sheets are very inexpensive and can be purchased for less than $1. Now it's time to see him all come together, so let's get started.
First, we drew a gingerbread man design onto the tan-colored felt sheet. If you do not want to freehand this design, you could trace a large cookie cutter.
Fold the felt sheet in half and cut out the gingerbread man.
Now you should have 2 gingerbread man pieces that are identical. Next, take the wire and following the shape of the gingerbread man, bend your wire to fit the shape. Then glue the wire in place. We left a little space around the wire on the edge of the felt. Alright, in our last shot we showed you that we glued down the copper wire to the gingerbread felt piece. Now we're just taking some cotton balls, 4 cotton balls to be exact, and we stretched them open and laid them inside the copper that was glued down. And when we glued down the copper wire, we left a little edge right here, and that is so that when we take our top piece and lay it on top, we'll have something to glue the top piece to. And seal the little gingerbread guy up, and we'll be right back.
This is our little gingerbread guy after we sealed his edges with glue and gave him an icing face using Scribbles fabric paint. We then attached 2 of the peppermint candies we mentioned previously to his little tummy, and we also glued on some of that gift trim ribbon to his arms and legs. That little trim, we thought, added the perfect touch of icing.
Opened up our spoon pack, and we're just going to take the shortest of the spoons. There's 4 that comes in a pack, and this is the shortest one. And we're going to take our snow tacks and just dip our spoon into the snow tacks like this and get a big heaping spoonful of icing, or what looks like icing. And then we're going to take our beads and just sprinkle them onto
The floor.
onto the floor and the icing, which in theory this seemed like a good idea. And now I'm going to have to vacuum all this up, so this is not the best idea. But you get the gist of it. Okay, so just, oh, these little things are going to drive me insane now. Alright, so just, oh!
Nothing ever goes the way you want it.
Just retrieve them from your floor and add them to the spoon like that, and it's going to look like little sprinkles. And we made a simple bow using some of this white glitter ribbon that we purchased at Walmart. We forgot to mention it earlier in the supply list, but it's just a white glitter ribbon. We glued on some of those colorful glass beads, which made the ribbon look like it was covered in sprinkles. So we thought that was a cute touch. Next, we removed the cardboard backing from the frame and glued on a piece of polka dot felt. Then we reinserted the cardboard covered backing into the frame. We then attached the bow to the right-hand corner of the frame. And finally, we arranged the wooden spoon that we let dry completely before we did anything to it. We arranged the wooden spoon full of icing into the gingerbread man's hand. And because he is wired, we were able to bend his little hand around the spoon and bend his little foot up. We also positioned his head slightly forward so that he was not totally flush against the frame. And then we adhered him to the frame. And the whole point of making him wired is so that you can add just a little bit of dimension and life to him. So now we're going to show you some footage of the completed project, and we hope you love it as much as we do. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, in this world of chaos, confusion, and heartache, God is always with you. If you're going to pray, don't worry.
And if you're going to worry, don't pray.
Have a great day, guys. Bye.
Bye.